Hi there, this is Bonny Meyer, DiVine Conversations, and today I'm going to talk about harvest. Now, every harvest is different, and this year it is the beginning of October, and many times we've harvested Bonny's Vineyard in the middle of September. This year we got a little delayed by some serious heat. I think about a month ago, and then after that we got some rain and cooler weather. So our harvest, the ripening of the grapes has gotten delayed a little bit. But from what we can tell, the grapes look fabulous, and we have a fairly normal crop load, mostly because we can benefit from the deep reservoir of water that's underneath the Napa Valley. And so we have deep wells and drip irrigation so we can keep our vines and the grapes healthy. So come along and let's see some harvest action. What you will see here are all the preparations and systems that are the foundation of our grape harvest. For a month before harvest, the sugar content in the grapes is monitored using a refractometer. Individual grapes are picked from random locations within the clusters and the vineyard itself. They are then squeezed and the juice poured onto the prism in the top of the refractometer. Raising it to the sun like a small spyglass, light passing through the sample bends in such a way so that the sugar content can be measured on the instrument's internal scale. Wine growers and winemakers also walk through the vineyard multiple times and taste the fruit for ripeness, flavor, and balance. Most Napa Valley vineyards are harvested at night, the cooler temperatures benefiting both grapes and grape pickers. The men and women move down the rows quickly using sharp curved knives, dropping the grapes into small picking bins. These bins are then poured into larger white bins pulled through the rows behind tractors. The full grape bins are then brought to the staging area, weighed, then loaded onto flatbed trucks or trailers. By sunrise, harvesting is finished and the night-cooled grapes are on their way to the winery in optimum condition, allowing the resulting wine to be as perfect as possible. I hope you enjoyed all the sights and sounds of Harvest 2022. And 2 or 3 years from now, we'll get to savor the Meyer family Cabernets that come from this vineyard. So until then, this is Bonny Meyer, DiVine Conversations. I'll see you next time.